Well, what's up, boys?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, and then I'll
Check
stop.
out my baby.
Oh, Lord, son, does your mama button your shirts for you, too? Oh! Roy, just don't get it. His ride's got everything but the kitchen sink. Hell, there might even be a kitchen sink in there, but there's one thing it's missing. The bullet antenna from Ronin factory. Oh, come on, man. Ditch this wimpy, flimsy ween stock antenna and screw in a precision manufactured 50 caliber bullet that could put a hole in a North Korean tank. If it were a real bullet.
Can we unfreeze yet?
No, Deke, I'm still talking. The bullet antenna easily screws into place. And with its anti-theft locking mechanism, low-life wannabe punks can't steal it. All right, boys, y'all can unfreeze now. Welcome to the Ronin Brotherhood.
Thank you. I feel like I should give you a hug. I mean, this is insane. Is that crazy?
Roy, right?
Yeah.
I heard you took care of your flimsy antenna.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah.
I could show you.
Yeah.
Well, don't just stand there, Roy. Show her your bullet.